Hi, I'm Jay. Welcome to War Table, a printer and painting channel. Um, I'm making a magnet rod here so I can do my tri-level buildings that are magnetized. Okay, so first basically I got some cheap dowel rods and took the biggest dowel rod out of there. I'm using 532 of a drill bit to drill out the end of the dowel rod for my magnets that are also the same size. Okay, just put a little bit of, super glue in the end of that there, and then you're gonna take your magnet and slide it into there. And I just did it like this. I just popped it in and then slid it off and pushed it down with a piece of plastic I used. And then I cut the end of it off with a soft wood knife. There we go. Or wood saw. Just be real careful, obviously, if you're doing anything like this. Just kind of go real slow with it. Keep just hacking away at it, and it'll finally cut through it. Be careful. And then I used a sander to sand down the edge of it. If any of this helps you, like and subscribe. But basically now, so you can take your, these are 6 by 2 millimeter, and you just snap that on the end there. Put a little glue into the hole of the top of this modular piece of terrain, and then I have this one set up to do all the pieces at the top of the pieces like this, and then I'm going to make another one that'll do the bottom. So that's it. That's all you got to do. If you like this, like and subscribe. If this helps you, I appreciate it. Have a great day and God bless.